Hello everyone. I'm really happy that you have decided to practice meditation for 10 minutes. Before we begin, I would like you to find a right place to sit down where you can be quiet for 10 minutes and your phone on silence, somewhere, anywhere but comfortable. If you have a back pain, if you have a knee issues, you can always sit on a chair. You can always take a support at the wall or a couch or bed, but make sure that your spine can be straight. And so the second thing is posture. Once you find a right place, you want to make sure that your legs are comfortable, and it doesn't have to be one leg on the top of other or anything, just cross leg or vajrasana. You can sit in either way, but make sure you're comfortable and your spine always straight. And then your arms can be either relaxed on your knees, or you can do Adi Mudra, or you can place your one palm on the other and thumb touching together. This is my go-to pose, my hand mudra. And with shoulders and your neck always slightly opened and relaxed, and not shrugged or stressed, always relaxed. And then your chin can be parallel to the floor, but also slightly tucked in, not raised up too high. And then with your eyes, you can always close your eyes, and according to your tongue, it can be slightly, the tip of your tongue can be touched on the top of your mouth, but that's not very important. As a beginner, you can just start with your legs comfortably crossed, spine straight, shoulders open and relaxed, arms gently placed on your knees or thighs, and then your chin should be parallel to the floor and slightly tucked in. And then your eyes can be closed, and you are really relaxing your body. So I want you to do the same thing with me. We're going to begin our 10 minutes. All right, good. Close your eyes, relax your whole body. Just observe your body, starting with your legs comfortably placed and relaxed. Relax your spine, relax your arms, relax your shoulders and your neck, relax your jaw. Make sure your teeth are not touching together. Relax your forehead, relax your eyes, and relax your whole body. Relax your whole body. Relax your whole body. Aware of your body. If there's any area or any place that you're holding on tight or you feel stiff, just bring your awareness to that part and try to relax it down. You can take as much as time you like, but once you have felt you have relaxed your whole body, then you can bring your awareness to your breath. Right now your breath can be fast or slow, not very in rhythm, but it's okay. Just watch your breathing. However it is, just aware of it. This practice that I'm teaching you, it's called Anapana meditation. It's a breathing meditation. Here all you have to do is keeping your whole body relaxed and bringing your awareness to your breath. So As you start, first thing, very important one, is try to breathe in and out through your abdomen. It's called abdomen breathing, not raising your shoulder up and down. No, try to breathe in and out by expanding your stomach as you inhale and contracting it as you exhale. Make sure your whole body is relaxed at the same time. Just expand and maximum inhalation, contract and exhale. Inhale, expand your stomach. Exhale and contract. Inhale and expand. Exhale and contract. Just like a balloon. If you fill the air in a balloon, the balloon will expand. If you let the air out, the balloon will contract. So instead of raising your shoulder up and down, try to breathe in and out from your stomach. You might find it a little difficult at the beginning, but as you keep practicing, you will be fine. You will be able to do the abdomen breathing. So do not worry. It's okay. If you're doing chest breathing or shoulder, it's alright. Just continue to breathe in and out as slow as you can. And watch your breathing. Aware of your breath. Aware of your in-breath. Aware of your out-breath. Aware of your in-breath. Aware of your out-breath. Aware of your in-breath. Aware of your out-breath. For some time. If your mind is going here and there, it's okay. Come back to breathing as soon as you can and continue to aware of your in-breath and out-breath. Do not worry or be stressed when your mind goes here and there. It's a part of the meditation. It's okay. Instead of worrying about your mind being distracted, come back to breathing and continue to aware of your in-breath and out-breath. Breathing in slowly, breathing out slowly. As deep as you can without stressing any part of your body or your lungs. Try to breathe in and out as natural as you can and aware of it. Your shoulders might become stiff. Relax it. You might start bending from your spine. Try to keep it up straight, but not too much. Straight as it is, not over straining. Your chin might be dropping or either raising. Try to bring it back to the alignment. and continue to relax your whole body and aware of your in-breath, aware of your out-breath. Your breath, by now, either it's very slow or it can be fast also. Whatever it is, it's okay. Just watch it as it is. Aware of whether it's fast or slow, do not worry, it's okay. Just watch it as it is. And relax your whole body and continue to breathing and breathe full. How wonderful it is. Enjoy this present moment. Again, if your posture is changing, fix it and relax your whole body and continue to aware of your breathing in and out. Aware of your in-breath and out. If you can stretch this breathing practice more than 10 minutes, it's even better. But if you're a beginner, at least start with 5 minutes and then slowly increase it to 10 minutes. For a month, do it for 5 minutes, it's okay. And then every month, try to increase 5 minutes and then make it as a daily routine. Just for like 20 minutes in your daily life, just for 20 minutes. See how much it will change in your life. I really hope that you will continue to practice whenever possible. It's not necessary to find a right place and write this, but when you have time, yes, find a right place to sit down, a quiet one. But when you are busy, it's okay. While eating, you can also do meditation. It's called informal meditation. While walking, you can just be aware of your walking. While eating, you can just be aware of where you're eating, the food, the taste, everything. You can meditate anywhere and anytime, not necessarily sitting on a cushion and practicing. I wish you all very, very best, and I hope that you will continue to practice in your daily life for a few minutes to begin with. And consistency is the key, always, with everything. So try to practice them as much as you can, as often as you can to begin with. I wish you all very, very best of luck. God bless you all.